a new feature in the e-way bill system now introduced by the GST network to enable the unregistered dealers to generate e-way bills for the movement of goods. It is more useful to goods transporters having no GST registration. Form number ENR03 has introduced in the e-way bill system to enable such unregistered dealers engaged to generate e-way bills. As per notification number 12/2024, such dealers can enroll on the e-way bill portal and can obtain a unique enrollment ID which will be equal to or alternative to GSTN for generating e-way bills. Here, such unregistered person must access the e-way bill portal, then go to the registration tab, select ENR03 option, then enter the state, PAN, address, mobile number, etc., which will be verified through OTP also. Then this user must create login credentials, includes the username and password. After successful submission, a 15-character enrollment ID will be generated, thereby allowing the unregistered persons to generate e-way bills. User manual for ENR03 also available in the portal using the above enrollment ID in place of the supplier GSTN or recipient GSTN for e-way bill generation. Finally, to generate such e-way bill, user must log into the e-way bill portal using the username and password. Thank you.